Hi everybody, Bill here, Auto World, Greens Fork, Indiana. Just want to share something with you. In case you didn't know, we keep a lot of sheet metal for GM trucks in stock, 67 to 98 normally here. Some of my old signs here. Well, that one's got my name on it. But the reason I'm showing you these parts is because we also install them. This is a 1967 Chevy C10 long bed for now. I'm not sure that it will stay a long bed, but this is my favorite body style. Has a small window in it. I love a 67, no parking lights. But on this fender at the bottom, it's going to get patched. The rear of the fender, small patch. Around the lift here, rocker panel, cab corner. Going to go under the truck here behind the cab corner and show you what we got. Front cab support, inner rocker. Get you the rear cab support. It's shot too. Sorry, opening the door. Not terrible on the floor. There's still a patch there. There was someone had been patching it with the aluminum flashing and rivets. Did a pretty nice job if it was on your roof. Watch the door. I love this. Closes like it should. Again, small back glass. Same kind of situation. Driver's side, cab corner, corner of the door, rocker, bottom of the fender in the back on this side, not in the front. Some rust in the front part of the floor. We do keep the half floors in stock. I don't know what it's like back in this corner, but we do keep those panels in stock. The bottoms of the doors are not terrible. And again, I'll go under the truck. From the rear, there is the front cab support and bushing junk, inner rocker, and then the rear cab support. She's setting up as high as I can get it on the jack stands with the lift, ready to lift it up and replace bushings and mounts and things as we need. But we're going to start on it real heavy next week, and we'll do a lot of videos to keep you updated. We appreciate you. Just want to show you what's going on here. Auto World, Greens Fork, Indiana. Thanks.